Whatever time you can spend additional time in the masjid is good. Because it's away from the distractions of the world, we can focus more on worship, on reading the Quran, being more exposed to the commandments of God. This is God speaking to us. If we're reading God's words as God speaks to us, then obviously that should increase our consciousness of God. So it means reading it with reflection, tadabbur. أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ. Will they not reflect and contemplate on the Quran? Or are their hearts sealed, locked up? أَمْ عَلَى قُلُوبٍ أَقْفَالُهَا. What is our state? Are we just parroting the letters? Let us focus not on completing how many times the Quran in Ramadan, but focus on reflecting on what Allah has to say to us, what guidance He has left for us in this, the only book of revelation which has been preserved and will be preserved until the last days of this world, the Quran.